Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to paint a tropical sunset beach scene filled with warm colors, reflections, and silhouetted palm trees. So let's get started. First, we're starting with the sky. So here I'm using a flat brush and I lay down soft blends of blue and white for the upper sky. Then I'm adding some purple clouds, keeping my brush strokes loose and horizontal so the colors flow naturally. As we're getting closer to the horizon line, I tend to add and lighten up my colors a little bit, so here I'm using a lavender for the clouds. And when we reach the horizon line, I'm grabbing my hot pink and also blending it upwards into the different clouds. The key here is smooth transition, so no harsh lines, just soft color shifts that feel right. And finally, I'm adding some orange to the horizon line on the other side where the sun would be, and also gently blending that in upwards into the sky. As I move into the water part, I like to start out with the purple reflections from the sky. Don't worry too much about perfection, just paint wherever feels right. I'm adding a few strokes of blue in between to create a sense of depth. Finally, I'm adding some soft pink highlights to tie it all together. So here, I'm blending these gently with a clean brush, keeping the movements horizontal to mimic the look of the calm waves catching the light. And here, I'm just adding a few more purple clouds to my horizon on top of the orange light. So next we're moving to the beach and sunset. So here I'm just setting up my beach in the forefront of my painting. Next we're starting to work on the palm trees. So here I switched to a fine liner brush and used black paint to sketch the trunks first. Then I paint the palm leaves with flicking motions, radiating outwards from the tree branches. Don't worry about perfect symmetry, the loose and more natural, the better. And that is all, a peaceful sunset beach with glowing colors and bald palm trees. Thank you so much for following along, and I'll see you next time.